I find it hard to believe, but January 2026 marked my 20th year as a full-time professional speaker. 20 years of speaking and coaching and writing, which also means it's been 20 years since I walked away from the security of a regular paycheck toward, well, something. At the time I had a master's degree, I was good at what I did, and yet somehow I was still mostly living hand to mouth and growing someone else's dream. So on January 8th, 2006, I left. Scared? Absolutely. Certain? Not even a little. But I had the strong feeling that if I could turn my part-time speaking passion into a full-time career, I could make meaningful impact and maybe even have some fun doing it. Fast forward 20 years and I can tell you two things. First, self-employment is definitely a roller coaster. Second, I have never once regretted that decision. And along the way, I've learned a few things about what meaningful impact really means, and you don't have to be self-employed to find it. First, impact starts with clarity. You need to know what matters to you. Otherwise, you can stay very busy chasing goals that look impressive but don't actually light you up. Wow, was that me? Second, impact requires energy. You cannot change the world or even your Tuesday when you're completely exhausted. And third, impact is built through small actions. I say that all the time. One conversation, one thoughtful decision, one brave little step towards something that matters to you. Those things all ripple. So if you're wondering where to start, try asking yourself 3 questions. What do I want that I'm not getting? Ponder that. Write something down. Who could benefit from the best version of me? And what's one small step I could take this week, today? Meaningful impact isn't some giant moment that you arrive at someday. It's something you build. One small step, one good decision, one energized day at a time. For more on this topic, read the full blog below. Now get out there and make an impact.